This tutorial is about how you can duplicate multi-WordPress posts using a quick and easy method. Duplicating posts in WordPress bulk post editing plugin could be done by just one click, as we designed a specific button for duplicating posts at the main page to make it even more convenient for post managers. This button is at the top of the main page, as you can see from here. But when I select one or two posts, now the button gets activated and you can use it. Before using the duplicate button, you can also use filter form or quick search to find the posts you need to be duplicated and then mark them to use this option. In this tutorial, we're going to duplicate the post with the ID number 1590, so we're going to go ahead and mark the checkbox next to it and click on the duplicate button. As soon as clicking on this button, a pop-up will appear to give you the option of specifying how many times you need the selected post to be duplicated. You can either type a number or use the up and down arrows right here to increase or decrease the duplicate number. For example, we typed 5, which means the selected posts must be duplicated 5 times. After clicking on Start Duplicate, it is obvious that the selected post has been duplicated 5 times. We described more about these options in 2 separate tutorials. You can bulk edit the duplicated post fields using the bulk edit form or the bind edit option in our plugin.
What?